We have Dr. Shiro Hatakeyama, the Director General of our partner organization Network Center in Japan, who will give us the closing remarks. Dr. Hatakeyama, thank you very much for listening in and staying. The floor is yours.
Here, I'd like to appreciate all the participants for their sincere discussions on the development of monitoring in the EANET. Today, we had two discussions. One was on measurements and control of VOCs in East Asia. The other was on the role and future prospects of low-cost sensors. These are two important projects that have been implemented since the establishment of the EANET Project Fund. VOCs are very important sources of tropospheric ozone and PM2.5, which are most important remaining air pollutants as mentioned and discussed in the workshop. So, monitoring of VOCs must have univocal importance, but monitoring network in East Asia is not sufficient yet. We need to expand and develop the network more. I think this contention should be shared among participating countries of the EANET for further collaboration. For the purpose of expansion of monitoring network in the EANET, usage of low-cost sensors can be one solution. I know there are still many controversial things, but if we can increase their reliability, we can strengthen the network of air pollution monitoring more and more. I look forward to further collaboration among participating countries. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Hatakeyama. So we will be documenting this, and it will be posted on the EANET website. We will send by email to all the participants. If you want to be more involved in terms of the projects on the VOCs and local sensors, please just let us know, approach us. And through our cooperation also with AIT, RRCAP, the Regional Resource Center for Asia and the Pacific, we hope to continue working more on these two topics. So thank you very much.